As I work with these processes, we'll be doing a certain practice for 7 days, and then we'll be adding more to it, or doing a slightly different practice for 7 days. One of the things I want you to understand is that where I'm taking you is a space where you are gaining mindfulness through meditation and having the ability to create miracles in your life through the manifestation energies of the sexual drive and the sexual pleasure. So over time, and you can come in and do a private session with me to get a full experience of this, but over time we will be moving into using our own energies and creating self-loving practices to move sexual energy through the body, up through the chakras and out to create a manifestation in the real world. So this is real, valid work. You can do a meditation on a specific outcome and manifestation, and pretty much guaranteed if you do what I tell you to do within 7 days and then let it go, that thing can happen easily in the real world. So a lot of people go out there and they push to make things happen in the real world. What we're doing is attracting. We're working on the vibration. We're working on our own inner processes and clearing to attract the things that we want to us. And what happens in this process is there is a clearing from the body. So as you start to do this meditation practice with me, and we add to the little pieces of it and add little bits to it, you will find that the shit comes up. So it's very easy when you're saying, when you're using these practices for the real world to go, whoop, here we go, look at this. Here's a bit of resistance to what you're trying to create over here. And we look at it and we go, oh, okay. And I have ways of dealing with that. And I can coach you through those purges that happen through the cells and through the body as stuff is released. And that's what we're doing. We're pulling the mind out of the body so that we can use it more fully in our daily lives, have more energy, because all that energy that we've got of the stress and the holding and the contractions and putting out there our vibration that we don't quite like and attracting all the shit and realizing, well, fuck, it's me. It is actually me. So this is a practice, this is a process, and this is going to be taught and guided, and you're going to learn it in a way that is easy, simple, and you're going to love me. I guarantee it. Everyone loves me unless they hate me. Over and out.